Chance of severe weather tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay, the better chance of severe weather is east of Dallas.
Okay.
That doesn't mean we're excluded from the chance of severe weather, but let me show you this map. The better chance will be East Texas, Louisiana, and Arkansas. That's where there could be a couple of tornadoes. Here for the Dallas-Fort Worth area and most of North Texas, there could be some up to quarter-size hail and some gusts of wind of 50, 60 miles an hour. That's a level 1 marginal risk for most of the area, level 2 slight risk from Dallas, and then basically off to the east. That is for tomorrow. I'm going to have the timeline, of course, but the main timing for that's going to be late morning into the afternoon. 55 was the high today. That's close to the normal of 56. We've barely budged throughout the day. The low this morning was 51. Outside right now, it's 54. So you get the idea. We've barely moved throughout the day. Temperatures have stayed in the low to mid 50s under this cloud deck. Our next storm system, again, spinning in the four corners right now. That moves in our direction. So by the time it gets here, we've primed the atmosphere up enough with moisture, and it's doing that right now, that we'll see that chance of rain increase. So now let's start the clock here. This is 7 a.m. So Thursday, 7 o'clock in the morning, spotty rain, nothing severe. Let's get into 9. Look at that. The coverage of rain really blows up here by the time we get to mid to late morning. So coverage of rain very high at 9 o'clock in the morning. That not expected to be severe, but I would expect some thunderstorms, some periods of heavy rain within this mess here. Then at 10 o'clock in the morning, we still have a good amount of heavy rain, some thunderstorms too. This is why the chance of severe weather is better east of Dallas than it is in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, and it's better in East Texas. Look at the timing at 11 o'clock in the morning. There's really not much instability. Okay, you have to have instability, you have to have wind shear to have severe weather. At 11 o'clock in the morning, there's not much going on at that point. So this is when we start to build in the chance for severe weather. Okay, so we've increased the instability a little bit by noon, certainly. This is where the thunderstorms will be a little bit more robust. That's 12 p.m. Damaging wind gusts up to quarter-size hail is possible there. Dallas-Fort Worth area is still not out of the woods at that point. 1 o'clock, see how it's already in East Texas? From Palestine to Tyler, Gilmer, Clarksville. And then by 2, you see most of the thunderstorm activity just in general. Not even the strongest part of it is in East Texas. That's where the real severe weather threat lies tomorrow. For us, we will still watch it for the chance for up to quarter-size hail and 60-mile-an-hour wind gust. But by 3 p.m., the rain is pretty much done for most of North Texas. On the backside of the low, though, Thursday evening, there still could be some spotty showers. That's going to be mainly along and north of US 380 that runs between Decatur, Denton, McKinney, Greenville, that area there. So again, just to show you the severe weather risk, level 2 slight risk area southeast of Dallas, level 1 marginal risk for the Metroplex, or at least most of it, for up to quarter-size hail and wind gusts up to 60 miles an hour. The better chance to see an isolated tornado, that'll be in East Texas as those thunderstorms move in by the mid-afternoon. Now, on average, we're expecting a quarter to a half an inch of rain when this moves through. I fully expect there to be isolated higher totals of an inch plus if you get caught under the thunderstorms longer, like we saw those flash flood warnings yesterday. That's very possible again tomorrow, where we see these 1 to 2 inch amounts fall because of the thunderstorm activity. Then high temperature wise, we're going up from here. We're in the 50s today. It'll be 63 tomorrow, 69 Friday, 68 Saturday, 70 on Sunday, 74 Monday, and then New Year's Eve, a cold front will come in and cool us down. So we'll be back to about where we are right now as everyone rings in the new year. Tonight, 50 degrees, mostly cloudy skies, dry, cool, light winds. Could there be a sprinkle or two? Sure. It's not going to be much. Scattered rain and thunderstorms tomorrow. Widespread rain is possible late morning into the afternoon. Some of the thunderstorms could be strong to severe. There's the 14-day forecast. 68 degrees on Saturday with our next chance for scattered showers and a couple thunderstorms. That's not expected to be severe. You see the sharp contrast in temperatures, though. You go Monday 74, then all of a sudden Tuesday, right before the new year begins, and everyone wants to go outside to ring in the new year. It's going to get chillier. 55 Tuesday on New Year's Eve. New Year's Day, 56. And then we just kind of stay on the moderate side of things beyond that, with just a little chance of rain here or there. High temperatures overall stay close to normal. We look like we'll be on the cooler side, though, heading into the first week or so of the new year. Chris?